Hello everyone. Today I'm going to browse in this Slack environment and show all the channels, everything we have here. Since I have kind of created a new Slack channel, this video seems kind of more updated in compared to the previous one that I created. Okay, so you know that I have created a link, invitation link on UNM Learn for you. So as soon as you click on that link, you are able to sign up for Slack. You must use your UNM email in order to log into our Slack environment. Okay, so as soon as you are on a Slack and you log in, you will see an environment like this on your web browser. Here is my web browser. And here I clicked on announcement channel, and you will see I already uploaded and written something for you. Please read everything carefully and also browse these channels carefully, like scroll down and up to see if you are not missing anything, and pay attention to all these writings. As soon as you log into a Slack, please change your name to a full name and full last name using your profile on Slack. What else? As I mentioned, this is the announcement channel. For example, if you click on this message I wrote down, you are able to set up a reminder for yourself and remind yourself about this message within 2 hours, 24 hours. You can also forward this message to me. For example, if you think, for example, there's something here confusing you, you can forward this to me using this option and tell me, yeah, in this message I have this problem, or in this file I have this problem, or I'm talking about a certain file. So you can mention it to me. It's easier for me if I see what you are talking about, what message or what file you are talking about. Okay, so what else? You can also browse in the channel. Let's say I talked about a specific thing. You can just write down the keyword here and look it up and see where I mentioned that. It's going to find that message for you on this channel, for example. Okay, so as you see, I created many channels for you. All of these channels are public. Please don't write down anything in these channels because it will be very confusing for me. The only channel you are able to write down is this channel, because these channels are public. Your friends are able to see this, right? This general channel is for your communication with other classmates. You can write down whatever it's interesting to you, or whatever question you have. I'm not able to answer your question right away. You can post this here and ask your classmate if they can help you. In the other channel note, I have uploaded all the notes for you. As I said, just scroll down and up and read the title for each of these notes. You can click on this, or you can click on this to open it, maximize it, but I prefer to always download the file, because some of the files are very huge and it doesn't show the all content to you. It just shows a couple of pages for you. But if you download it, you are able to get all the file at once. So here again, there's an option share file, and then there are other options. You can save this kind of this file. You can copy it. You can view the detail for this file. And then in project channel, I uploaded all the projects for you. Please read the description carefully. Don't miss anything. And as I mentioned, download all these files for yourself. Okay, so I have uploaded syllabus for you. Depends on your section number. Please download an appropriate syllabus. If your UNM schedule says your section is 501, this is the syllabus for you. Please be careful about that. What else? Also, when you are actually logging to Sapling, Sapling is a package that contains your ebook, right? You must have your section number. So either 501 or 503 depends on your UNM schedule. So when you have the keyword, which is 501 or 503, you are able to get into the correct section of Sapling. So remember this. And then here, as soon as we have anyone helping us with this class, I'm going to post the information here for you. And here, please browse this channel. For each of chapters, read the title. I created a YouTube video for you explaining about Crunchy. Crunchy will help you to double check your project result, and I tried my best to have create a good video for each project. So read the titles, and also here I wrote down another actually note for chapter 4 and 5. So remember, every time you are starting your project, come here and see which one belongs to a specific project. Here another one for chapter 3. Read them all carefully, please. So video link, here is all the video I created for you, and you can go to the first one. They are all in order. Read the title carefully and click on that video link. It's going to open the YouTube channel for you, and you are able to watch this. Okay, so as I mentioned, read all the title before click on a specific video. What else? Actually, let me see. Okay, so I think that's about what did I do? Okay, I could click on this. Okay, that's good that I make mistake, because now if something like that happens to you, you know how to go back. Okay, so the Zoom link. Here I have created office hours Zoom link for you, and then I mentioned when is the time that I hold an office hours. You can read this, and then before logging to the Zoom, you must register for the Zoom link. And let me actually delete this one. Okay, so here is the other link. This one says for those who are enrolled in 501, that will be the in-person class we have, right? This is the link that you can click on and register for our class time. What I wanted to mention here, we will have class just once a week, because as you saw, I have all the lectures uploaded for you on my YouTube channel. So I'm just talking about those in-person section, those who are enrolled in in-person lecture. We will have just once a week. I will announce that actually, but again, before you are able to join the Zoom, you must register for this one, and also this one is for office hours. I'm not sure why actually this one is 2. I have to delete this one. Okay, so everything seems fine. Okay, so what I wanted to mention here, these are all the public channels, right? And as I mentioned, please don't write down anything in other public channels except general. If you want to send me a personal message, you just can click on my name, right? And then because this is my own message, I'm sending a message to myself, you're not able to see that. But as soon as you click on my name, you are going to have 2 options here. One shows make a call, voice call, and another shows make a video call. So you can call me, make a video call or voice call through a Slack without even having the phone number on a Slack. So it uses internet connection to call me. So you will have that opportunity to call me or make a voice call. So you don't even have to log into Zoom for the office hours. You just can contact me via Slack. Okay, here is the message box that you can use to send me messages. Here you can attach the files for me. Here you can create emojis. Here you can use @ to mention some of your classmates, whoever that you want to send a group message with me and share a message with them and me. So you can just write down their name and I'm able to send a message to both of you or as many as you like as a group. And then here there is an option. You can create a code block. This is mostly for my coding classes, but there are some apps actually they give you opportunity to write down the mathematical notation, and then you can download those apps by going to browse Slack and then use these apps. There are tons of apps, mathematical apps that you can download and set up on your Slack and use that to write down mathematical notation or even other apps. Okay, so here there are some other options you can use to browse Slack, and then you can set up the notification on the Slack for you. And I don't know if I mentioned or not, you can go to history. You can use browse all the messages using that option. You can save messages, you can remind about that messages, and you can forward messages. Okay, so now I'm still on the browser, right? Web browser. If I come here, I'm able to open a Slack on my computer. Click on this. It gives you, gives you the kind of opportunity to have the Slack on your computer. If you didn't set that up on your computer, it's going to ask you to download it. Okay, so here if you click on any of these highlighted, you are going to go to that specific channel. What else? This is the app that I have on my computer. As you see, it's fancier than web browser. I really like it because in here I have all other channels, all my other classes. I can switch from one class to another class. And what else? Again, don't forget, you can click on my name, send message, and then you will have an option to call me or make a video call. And read everything carefully. Whatever I have written for you, read them carefully. Announcements are all going to be in this channel. I'm going to post for you 2 times a week, and read everything carefully because sometimes I have extra credit in my messages. Okay, I hope this helped you, and let me know if you have any question, and looking forward to see you all on Slack. Take care of yourself.